This video explains how to set up your first project in Microsoft Visual Studio and create a simple Hello World application using Tekla Open API. The first step to take is to start Microsoft Visual Studio. From the File menu, select New Project. Select Windows Forms application, give a name to your project and click OK. This creates a new Windows Form application. The Solution Explorer is a useful tool that provides an organized view of your projects and files included in them. Double-click the form to open the source code file. Next you need to install Tekla Open API package in order to add the needed assemblies. Open the Needed Package Manager and search for Tekla Open API. On the project window you can choose the projects where you want to add the references. Select your Tekla Structures version from the version list and click Install. Tekla Open API packages appear on the Solution Explorer, under References. To use the classes and methods of Tekla Open API, you need to add directive lines to your code. In this example we need Tekla Structures model and model operations. You can find information on all the classes and namespaces in the Tekla Open API reference page. Write the code inside Form 1 load section to run it before the form is displayed for the first time. First you need to create a model instance to connect to the Tekla Structures model. You can check if the connection is successful using Get Connection Status. Get information about the model using getInfo and assign the name of the model to a new string. Show a Hello World message containing the model name in the message box. Send the same message to be shown on Tekla Structures user command prompt. Before you start debugging, ensure to have a model open in Tekla Structures. To run your code, select Debug and click Start Debugging. Your message should first appear in a message box. After you close the message box, the same message will appear on the Tekla Structures user command prompt. Stop debugging by closing the form. Now, you know the basic structure of a C# program, where the using statements lets you reference a namespace. Also you have learned how to create your first Hello World application with simple code statements.